I want a book. How do I go to the library?
Go straight on Main Street. Stop at the corner.
Okay, I am at the corner. Now what do I do?
Turn right on Lemon Street. Go straight.
I see a blue building.
Is this? Yes. But make a right on Park Avenue and stop. You are at the library. I love to read. Books are what we need. I want a cookie. How do I go to the bakery?
Go straight on Main Street till you see the church.
Okay, I am at the corner. Now what do I do?
Turn right on Maple Street.
Go past the pet shop. I pass the pet shop. Where's my cookie?
Turn left on 4th Street.
Stop. You are at the bakery. We found the treats. Time to eat. My nails look plain. How do I go to the nail shop?
Go straight on Main Street. Turn right on Lemon Street.
Okay, I am walking down. Now what do I do?
Turn left on 4th Street. Go past the bank.
I see a pink sign.
Is this it?
Yes, stop!
You're at the nail shop. We found the way.
We found the way. I want some coffee. How do I go to the coffee shop?
Go straight on Main Street.
Stop at the corner. Okay, I am at the corner. Now what do I do?
Turn right on Lemon Street. Go past the library.
I see the yellow sign. What is next? Turn right on 4th Street. Stop.
You are at the coffee shop.
I found the shop. Now I stop and enjoy my coffee.